hot, hot in the pot. That's what you guys used to say. Worcestershire? Worcestershire? Whoa. Hello! And welcome to Bear Food Kitchen, where we make easy, delicious recipes with an Instapot. My name is Tina Bear, and today we will be making meatloaf and mashed potatoes in one pot. That's right, in one pot. One pot stop. So today, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our Yukon potatoes. They are about quartered, about 1-inch pieces. We're gonna put those in the bottom of the Instapot, just like that. It's about 2.5 pounds of Yukon Gold. And we're gonna add about 2 cups of water. Just like that. That's done. Next thing we're gonna do is we are going to be making the meatloaf. And we're gonna get some salt and pepper. You know you love it. This is the music while we're cooking. Actually, we do listen to other music. This is pretty good. So we're gonna salt our ground beef and put some pepper on it. Put the pepper. I like a lot of pepper. I don't know. I think you either like a lot of pepper or you like a little pepper, but I don't know anybody who doesn't like pepper. We all like it. So with that, we're gonna add 1 small diced up onion. We also have some panko. We have 2 eggs. We have some dried onion, minced onion. Some Worcestershire sauce. We have some powdered mustard. And we have some milk. The milk is gonna keep it moist while it cooks. And we're gonna go ahead and stir it up. I'm gonna use my hands. That's what I would normally do. So let's stir it up. Now, you don't want to play with it like Play-Doh. You want to be gentle. Okay, just like that. Okay, don't overmix. Then we're gonna shape it. And we're gonna put it in a baking pan. This is the Instapot cake pan. I use it for other things. And I'm just gonna take it and I'm just gonna shape it in there. Just like that. So it looks kind of like a loaf pan, like you would use in an oven. Just like that. Oh my gosh, look at that pretty baby. Look. That looks amazing, right? And then after that, you're gonna wash your hands. Just like that. And we are going to cover it with a piece of tin foil. Put it right over. Just like this. Nice and tight. See? A little present of deliciousness. And then get one of your slings. Now, if you only have a trivet, the metal trivet that comes with the Instapot, you're going to want to make a sling out of tin foil. So you would just roll out a strip, fold it up, put it underneath the pan, and then lower it into the Instapot. But I love the sling. This sling is great, and I got it on Amazon. I'll attach a link so you could see which one I purchased if you would like to buy one yourself. We just cover it like that, put the lid on. 35 minutes. We're gonna take it out. I'm gonna glaze the meatloaf, mash up the taters, heat it up in the oven so the crust gets all nice and cooked. Show you what it looks like. I cannot wait for you guys to see this amazing meal. I'm gonna use these little bear mittens. Wow. You're gonna take out the meat. Oh, there you go. And you could see the potatoes are cooked perfectly. So what we're gonna do is we are going to top the meat with a tomato ketchup topping, and we're gonna put it in the oven. Let's take this off so you can see what it looks like. And we're gonna put it in the oven and finish cooking the top. What? Oh my gosh, that is a huge meatloaf. So we are gonna use the butter and the milk for the mashed potatoes. And I'm gonna take some ketchup and chili sauce, mix it together with a little bit of brown sugar and mustard. It's gonna be super tangy, sweet. It's gonna caramelize. It's gonna cook the tomato, put a nice glaze on the top. Now, I make this for Jerry, and he likes extra to dip it in because the sauce is so good. Top it all up. Just like that. So I'm gonna top it, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven on broil for 5 minutes, and the glaze is going to caramelize and be delicious, just like that. Look how good that looks. So I'm gonna put it in the broiler, 5 minutes. I'm gonna come back, smash the potatoes, and we're gonna eat. A little salt. You have to salt your potatoes. You have to. You're gonna put a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Start smashing. They are soft and tender. We're going to put it on saute. And we're going to cook down some of the liquid. Smash up these potatoes. Oh my God, it already looks so good. We're going to add some butter and a little bit of half and half. And the liquid will cook out and we'll have yummy mashed potatoes. Look at that. These are so creamy and delicious. The only thing I wish I had was my meatloaf. What? It's done? That fast? Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. It's golden on the top, glazed to perfection. The sugars are kind of like burnt and shiny. So let's go ahead and get a plate. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Oh, it is so yummy. Let's go ahead and just take this off. There you go. Put that over here. Scoop a piece up. Oh my gosh. Can you see inside? It's perfect. Yum. Get a spoon. Oh, the potatoes are creamy, delicious, fluffy, smooth. Oh my gosh. I hope you guys try this recipe. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.